That Germany is wary of China. It has officially announced a more hawkish stance in terms of how it wants to deal with China. Berlin feels that it needs to take on a more assertive Beijing. Obviously, President Xi Jinping isn't impressed. China has warned Germany that this will further worsen the ties between the two nations. There is a geopolitical slugfest that is quite evident under the calm facade between these two nations. The German government has approved its first national strategy on China, endorsing a 64-page document. Chancellor Olaf Scholz's government is hoping to reduce critical dependencies on Chinese goods, in line with European Union's strategy urging de-risking ties with China. Germany has said that the move was necessitated as it seeks to de-risk and not to decouple from China.
Erstens, wir wollen uns von China nicht abkoppeln, sondern Risiken so weit wie möglich mindern. Im letzten Jahr haben wir schmerzhaft erlebt, wie verwundbar uns einseitige Abhängigkeiten machen.
China is Germany's largest trading partner, with bilateral trade volumes last year reaching nearly $334 billion. Now, China is a core market for top German companies, including Volkswagen and BMW. In October 2022, the Chinese state shipping company COSCO was granted a reduced stake in a terminal in Germany's Hamburg port, so as to dispel concerns about too much Chinese influence on the port. Now, nearly half of all European investments in China are from Germany. Almost half of the German manufacturing businesses rely on China for some part of their supply chains. But supply chain issues prompted by the coronavirus pandemic laid bare the extent to which Germany and Europe had grown dependent on China. And Russia's invasion of Ukraine also has raised fears that Beijing could misuse economic dependencies. Under its first national strategy, German companies have been called to reduce the geopolitical risks of doing business in China. It also wants to prevent the need to tap state funds in the event of a crisis. Germany says that it is working to provide incentives to encourage German companies to diversify their businesses beyond China.
Deshalb werden Unternehmen, die sich in hohem Maße vom chinesischen Markt abhängig machen, in Zukunft das finanzielle Risiko verstärkt selbst tragen müssen. Zur wirtschaftlichen Sicherheit gehört auch, dass Unternehmen sicherstellen, dass sie in ihren Lieferketten die Menschenrechte, dass sie dort nicht verletzt werden.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.